Hey, welcome back CQR fans. Welcome to Kane Carter's Review. I'm Mark. Once again, we're at Banner Recreation and Marine in Vernon BC, Canada, and we're checking out a Can-Am Renegade XXC 1000. Sweet looking ride. Stick around. So this guy is going to have 91 horsepower. It's the Rotax 976cc V-twin liquid cooled. It's going to have the ITC, intelligent throttle control with electronic fuel injection. It's going to have the typical CVT, the park, reverse, neutral, high and low, and standard engine braking. Your drivetrain is going to be the selectable two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive with the Visco Lock QE, auto-locking front diff. And your power steering is going to be the tri-mode dynamic power steering. And for suspension, you're going to have an arched double A-arm front with a sway bar. It's going to have 23 centimeters and 9.2 inches of wheel travel. It will have Fox 1.5 podium RC2 shocks. The rear is a torsional trailing arm independent, a TTI, with 25 centimeters or 9.9 inches of wheel travel with the same shocks, the Fox 1.5 podium RC2s. And when we're talking tires, you're going to have ITP whole shot ATRs. They're 25 by 8 by 12s in the front and 25 by 10 by 12s in the rear, and of course your 12-inch cast aluminum beadlock rim. And your brakes on this guy are going to be the typical Can-Am. They're going to be the dual 214mm disc brake with hydraulic twin piston calipers on the front, and a single 214mm disc brake with twin piston caliper on the rear. And your dimensions on this guy, your length, your width, your height are going to be 218 by 121 by 124 centimeters. Or 86 by 48 by 49 inches. Your wheelbase is going to be 129.5 centimeters or 51 inches. Your ground clearance is 26 centimeters or 10.5 inches. Your estimated dry weight is going to be 323 kilograms or 710 pounds. Your towing capacity is going to be 590 kilograms or 1,300 pounds. You're going to have 20 liters of fuel capacity or 5.4 gallons, and your seat height is 87 centimeters or 34.5 inches. So as you can tell by the different body style on this is going to be a sport quad rather than utility. So this is be more designed for racing and shorter rides and that kind of stuff. If you could use this on the trail if you wanted to. I've seen many guys do that. Again, really cool color scheme. Major thrill factor with 1000cc. Beadlock rims are always good. It's a really sweet looking race bike. And it's going to have the Can-Am technology and the quality. This will be a super fun ride. Again, your stance on this is quite high, very firm seat. Typical controls, start button, headlights, kill switch. Your override switch. And here's your ITC controls, your four-wheel drive, your throttle. Again, fully automatic. Here's your 12-volt power supply. Digital display. Well guys, thank you again for clicking on the video, so appreciate you being here. Once again, we're at Banner Recreation and Marine in Vernon BC, Canada, checking out a 2022 Can-Am Renegade 1000cc XXC. Really cool race bike. If you're looking for a thrill factor, you're definitely going to find it with this one. And once again, so appreciate you guys being here, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks again for watching.